Remake the Ajawi Kamatai about being PM Kala beneficiaries Karajan Kasar, Karib Kalian Samelan Ranye Ukrulila Sharukhihaira. Tangkhul Football Players Association Award Night Runghaira. Hormibam Rivali Player of the Year Award Mihaira. Jing Daily Forest Egmat Nabai Murada Ngardale. Lake Yang Tor, Ajaz Tangkhul Express Wipao, Ningsemla Kasar in a Bamidlay, Bobbing Mesa in a Nangrumsa. Karib Kalian Samelan Ranye Li, Ukrul District Nala Sharukwida, MLA Ramwiva, DFO Shangam Shaliwo, ADC CEO David Kashung, Jasami with additional DC, DLOs being Gala, beneficiaries being Wazanga. Education Law and LA Minister DH Pasanda Kumarna, Maso Wasada Kahang, Schemes Gajaili, Case Connection Aina Health Card Hi, Kamadaya Sada Quipalungra. Kala na Ranye Likazangji, Tuyai Kawai Maningla, Shorkarna Schemes Yarili Washung Kawai Maramli, Nazekrum Kawai Karana Gaji Hanga. Concerned officials being na schemes, programs Maramli, Matada advertise Sami Kawai, La documents, Kan Kanagataruno, Matalak Aina Sang Milaka, Paptaga Bai Tuena advertise Salu Gaji Hanghaira. Shimla Kajivuna Sambang Kawai, survey Salu Gaji La Hanga. Corporate Social Responsibility CSR program na Digital Learning with Skill Learning Wivang 25 crore sanctions Sahira Kala scheme hina kapungli matailak ay na rin dalay kaji hanga. Kanidhot kala yaron ngala na yari rinwi Foundation Sada atumli ata katam kashi matada kami Terka Saya la national pingli lyric mang matam jitayla Social Services, Skill Development, Moral Teaching higta hila tam jitaysa kaji hanga. Ayaw Iranian Gazib Chili program scheme Sambang Taklabing na Atumwi Tegukui Hangachite Adamla Sambanga Nungo Village Secretary, Social Worker, Jime Zimik na Swatch per admission Meramli Hangda Sanitation Vat na Legasa Village Li Scheme Mi Mga Aina Shaka Tumrada Akana Sanitation Toilet Samkui Haidra Kaji Hanga Ringwiram Honwi Somjan Ungalung na Jal Jivan Mission JJM Meramli Hangda Jotlak Aina Ter Taz Kasaji Ara BM with JJM scheme samang da water tank matalak ay nasa kui haira kala shimli tek haira kajihi ningashimi haira BMJY scheme with beneficiary Ukrul awandang now hang matin jipang naghang 2021 kum agzada Janim sling hak kui aman gatonga BMJY Parad Ayushman na pungmiya juwivang BM watili ningashi pongshokka BMJY beneficiary rangam lagasom moshi hoda zingum mugada madi kanamasha khak mashok la lay cycle corona mi mau khang yawadamli kazaho da arishangli khang hawi aman lupa thingjisha chorkarna khangkhui mida modili awi avuna ningishi pongshokka Tangkhul Football Players Association na room kami award night 2020 aya Ukrul down holy room mi haira Tangkhul na bam ngatai tali country theng rao zatta claiming league kadom sok ngai pongshokta saman kala majut kame felicitation ranye kwikamiya Veteran footballer ngalang zar sariao na maso asami retired police officer kala country theli Ningsemla ka hainaw ngarai bam kasom moshina khayao sada wazanga Tangkhul Football Players Association na room kami award night 2022 aya Ukrul town li room mi haira Tangkhul na bam ngatai tali country theng rao zatta claiming li Kagatom sok ngai pongchokta saman kala majut kami felicitation ranye kwikamiya veteran footballer ngalang zar sariao na maso asami retired police officer kala country theli Ningsemla ka hainaw ngarai bam kasom moshina khayao sada wazanga Football Players Association of India Representative Renati Naranye Chli Tangkhul ISL players bing ni felicitate samia Tangkhul na top league players bing VS Willjoy Janet Mashangvul Sojung Miralang Rollingson Hungyo, Raisang Bemmi Somoshi, Ning Leiting Kare, Naning Mi Shimra Atumni Felicitate Samia, Country Taylor Ramni Matalak Aina Sharukwimida Clay, Outstanding Contribution Miwang, Hunpun Pungcham Football Association, Ukrul District Sports Association, District Youth Affairs and Sports, Pungyo Baptist Church, United Brothers Football Club, Kamjong District Football Association Hibing Hilila Kamajut, Ningishimi Haira. kan chu thei liram ni mathalak aina zada khlei shinau KYRBSA we shan thing ching nai sui ESU we John Maya Mohong Alila felicitate Samia. Outstanding individuals being football promoter, activist Dr. Somisario, I-League Draw FC with Tangkhul manager career, Kongre Kam, Tuitang, Tangkhul Naunjaili, AIFF match commissioner with career Unganing Kashung, Tangkhul now international academic coach career Ting Somi Riwa Atamlila felicitate Sahira. National Institute of Sports Coaches Pinglila, Majut Mida, District Youth Affairs and Sports League Coach Kasar, Peng Mayo Shang Gala, Mawan Sagahai, Nanao Migashung Anilila felicitate Sami Haira. Can't take Kangarioli, India we Kangario now Sada, Minganin Sada Clay Hormibom Rivalila felicitate Samia. Tangkhul Football Players Association Award G Player of the Year 2022 here Kerala Blasters we Hormibom Rivali Mihaira. Emerging Player of the Year Under 18 we Round Class Punjab FC Gala U16 India Kamli Gazang Rin Chai Zali Mihaira. Award Chi Akum Hangshini Jury na yang Akum Timra online poll na Kapangakwina. Fans Player of the Year the online in a vote Salaga Mumbai City FC we Janso Horam na Yuihawa. Tangkhul Football Players Association na Runkami Award Night 2022 we Ranye DJ Night la Featherheads we Katana Augustine El Shimrina Tanda Rungmi Haira. Tangkhul Football Players Association hi Raisang Mivashum na President Sadalay. Raisam Bam Migasom Moshi, Zenit Mashangvu, Tangsom Riva, Rollingson Hungyo, Ngaraipum Gasom Hung, Atamna Vice President, Warangajan Satsang na General Secretary, Ungnao Shang Mashangvu na Joint Secretary, Yermi Baishang na Finance Secretary, Tinganing Pinau na Technical Director Sadale. Kangbukpi District Wijingdai Area li Forest Exit Nara Kachili, Makamia protest pam Jitaira. Misha Shana Makamia Pongshokta. We oppose Indian Forest Act 1927 Kala Chiwi Amendment Act li Mamayamana. Protest kasana pingjina placards kasing colonial rule kala acts na tribal chief with legal rights makwitumi baimana. State Chokarna Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Forest Rights Act 2006 Jizat Nang Sakrana. Kerang Homhi Itumwi Mirinda Tribal Leva Pingwi Mishun Li Kayashilu Itumwi Awo Ayi Aina Migatang Lele Ha Materalu da Higata Hijitang Awang Rokta Protest Sajitaya. Jingtai area li Kung Turuk Leda Kalekala Kung Pingjiva India we Independence Mararang Laka Aina Rasham Gahaina Kaji Hangda Jui Village Chief Pingna Gahang Tamen Lok Koltapi Reserve Forest Haira Kaji Maramla Atum Lamatai Samana Kaja Forest Department Aina Settlement Department na Jui Maram Ramnau Bingli Hangkarak Nasan Malilak Mana Kaji Hanga Shorkar na Kamenlok Koltapi hi 1946 li Indian Forest Act 1927 we azingli proposed kasana da hanga. Kangazan gajam now bingli John Kami scheme program we maram ngasan kawai PM na beneficiaries bingli Karajan Kasaranye Karib Kalyan Samelan Aya India we apam district psychorally quick haira. Ranye ji online in sada Ukrul in a Kamjon Zangda Ukrul district we me being online in a Shiru Queen Roka. Chief Minister Anne Biren Singh na Karib Kalyan Samilan state level li Shiru Kuya. State level we Ranye ji City Convention Imphal Kwikaya Kala BM na Shimla Himachal Pradesh we na online Ranye ji li Zanga. Ranye ji schemes kala programs being na beneficiaries being we Marin League Apha Kwira Kamikala Ki Kanga Jaiter Karsa Kala Kajila take we Kawai Gasana. Jane ang so the Union Chorkar with Zinkum Jishet Ungashungla Kamajut Ranye Ngasaya. State level Ranye Chili Chief Minister Anne Biren Singh Nagahang Samelan Gaja Gazip Chi Mataila Kahaya Kana Kuivang Chilaga Zinkum Jishet Chorkana Mirak High Schemes Ping Jui Feedback take we Kawai upon Ngasaya that Biren Nahanga. Schemes programs ping JBM nagajam now ping li paning kami mga aina karana gaji hangda jubi kapa beneficiaries ping we kamong peli katada kwiwa mishikala gaji state we kamadaya ning paning kami akana da CM na hanga kala jubiwang go to village go to hills mission higata higasana da CM na hanga jubiwang state we blocks hang turuk da jishat paidali braharis la haimig haina jia BMAY Gramin Baka Shimbing Wivang installment Gatum Aina Laidale. CM Nagahang 2019 to 20 with phase 1, phase 2, 2020 to 21 we phase 2 kala 2021 to 22 we phase 2 azingli shim thingmagada jiko shakatum hangjishata thuruk semi khawai rin gasana jiwing jaili shim thingtarada mati shatisha thangjishata thuruk semkui hairajia BMAY urban we azingli shim thinghang phanga phanga shatishat apamadi approve cycle juwi luba 333.12 crore release sami jiwing jaili shim thingmati Shamadi da hangjishat tharuk sem guphaira da hanga BM Kisan Samaniti we azingni beneficiary na kumkum lupa thing tharuk sampang dalai lupa ji direct benefit transfer mida installment gathumai na mishok kada CM na hanga BM Kisan Samaniti with 6,19,218 beneficiaries mingzan saga highly 5,08,410 na payment samang haira 2016 gum Haugapok PM Ujwala Yojana na azingli Manipur Wibang 1,59,555 LBG connections miya 2021 nila Ujwala 2.0 Habok lishita 28,083 na LBG connections mihaira da hanga Poshan Apian we azingli Anganwadi centers tingtarada aka shapanga apathara tharana mingjan gasa tekuya Smartphones kala group monitoring devices la Anganwadi centers li yang mi haira kala BM Matru Vandana Yojana wi aina naw khawai la nugashiman pingli la luba thing panganga ngon mi da chila beneficiaries 56,982 na samanga da hanga Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin 2014 ni hapokwa ji 2018 ni Manipur na open defecation free state declare sada shimshim li latrines 4,51,056 kadana Sembami kala community sanitary complexes chaka apakni semiya kaji hangsanga Jal Jeevan Mission we azingli Prime Minister na Shimla kajida Chapter 2024 gum ngarin mihar sa khawai rin dalai kha Manipur liva chili thak mai krami khawai sa dalai da biren na hanga Ranye chili shorkar schemes kan dai da mapung phalak aina sakwi ka highway ama video la jithaimiya MLA Lamsang S Rajan Singh MLA Langthabal Karam Shyam, Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Kumar Kala, DGB B Dongel Athimlaran Yejili Wazanga. Manipur Lokayukta na MSPCL Widung Ligay Stakasang Manipur High Court na dismiss Sami Haira. MSPCL na alungli Fund Chidin Kangwi Layeda Manipur Lokayukta na Ajukum Marun Gachang Recommendation Kamili MSPCL na challenge kasa Manipur High Court li migasang na. MSPCL with officials na read petition gatum misangda Maramji High Court consisting of the division bench Chief Justice Kala Justice MV Muralidharan na yangsangmi Achukum Mayogachang single bench na yangsangmiya Manipur Lokayukta na petition tagasang jili kazang penda kalaiji kilikaw pan kawai kamusyung matay kwituwada High Court na dismissamik haina
Hoziki matamda mipung khodimak na hainari stay home stay safe Wahai se magun dilay adubu wahai da magun layragata yabasu natte oiba yai yumadu da magun layrabade Mamangai dadi yumse yum khakta oirame hozikti office spa salon restaurant supermarket manamasingi kaitel Angang singi school amadi football field pumnamak yum ngaktani Hozikti yum danatana hairiba pumnamak sing sisu samely aduna yumbu yam sexy na sabiyu Make cement ga loinana Make cement take laroi daba yum tat laroi daba mari
Dr. Helena Eye Care Center opposite Raj Medicity, North AOC, Imphal. Dr. Helena Eye Care Center Li, surgery, prosthetic eye, contact lenses, artificial eye testing, frames, different fibers, glasses, hikatata, sapaira. Visiting hours na summerly, Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday li na 8 a.m. to 12 noon na. Appointment Vivang 977-406-5535. You call Sami Pai.
Tatra hawi mathang gagathum Naga National Prayer Day sada miyona da NSC na duidak ta haira. Maram hi aya Naga National Assembly Hebron ni gazip laka duidak kuina. Aya mission Naga National Assembly jina Nagalim for Christ kaji hila reaffirm salishit da kaji hi hanga. Nagawi ngade hanga hai thochan kala Naga National Principal ngakshonra kaji duidak kuihaira. National Democratic Alliance Center Sarkar na lupa 22,44,000 crore kada beneficiaries ping bank account li direct sang mihaira da hanga. Mashing 2014 we aina shan gapok na. Paisa che direct benefit transfer DBD program we azing ni kami gazana. Ngalay hui regime na bing ni financial inclusion kurami kawai sa kami DBD scheme hi. Okutui hak makeup kaji cash transfer program na da hanga. DBD we azing ni scheme shakatum Ministries hang pungada khani gada we azing ni beida direct sang mi haina direct benefit transfer kalehi na alungli mi gdai mazang lila sarkar na kami ji direct beneficiaries bingwe account li bagatana direct benefit transfers jikajin hi na sarkar na lupa crore khani lak mugada khani safe sa khu hera ji Makumushung arai na lupa rock saida Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain le Enforcement Directorate Gastadili Ajui Tarik Chiko aina dangdariman sahira. Special Judge Gidanjali Goel na jizuk mi kashokli kahang Delhi Health Minister Wigis took may rukari kawai Gastadili kahaina. Kolkata-based company Akawi Hawala Transaction Maramli Jain Li Criminal Sections Prevention of Money Laundering Act to Azingli Tukakwina Ali Aya Karot Likwivaya Idi official na kang Hanle Health Minister Jina Matada Mang Hangangagi Jihawada Hanga Lakavak Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia na kahang Satyendra Jain Li Tukakwi Ji Zingum Jishat Kaka High Case Makamshungli Banlaka Tukakwina Jidale Jain we kangwi Malay Samada idi nala boholing mana Kara Himachal Pradesh election ni jail na yang sanghawgada case ka jamji puchokli shit ka jina da Sisodia na tweet saya Ladlu shit ta ajawi kamataya pauping PM kala beneficiaries Karajan Kasar Karib Kalyan Samelan Ranye Yukrulila Sharukhihaira Tangkhul Football Players Association Award Night Runghaira Hormibam Rivale Player of the Year Award Mihaira Jingdaili Forest Egg Mazat Nabai Murada Ngaradale Aju Bow Henang Janghaira Bow Nada Clintum Zai Gorali Sok Mizing Shong Saserno